Hi everybody, it's me, Asong Filipina. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's video, I want to unbox the shopping with you guys. So I want to show you what I have. So I have this bundle of joy because it's almost Christmas. So this one, I purchased this one and I buy this one at SM Mall because I need a new tripod. So I'm gonna show you what I've got. And this is 1,800. So I have like this, but the other one is already damaged. So I'm using it for my full view. So I wrap it up in my chair in the car for my full view. So this is it, guys. So my other tripod, it's already damaged. So that's why I decided to buy a new one. So I have two now. Tripod? Is this tripod? Because last time when I buy the tripod, and this is tripod, because they expect the tripod is only for the cell phone. So I need a camera tripod. So this is it, guys. So I have this one and it's very high. It's yung thing. So I'm gonna show you. The quality is very good and the price is also very affordable because quality matters. So this is what we have. We also have some shopping from SHEIN, and this one I just want to show you first. It's a very good one. It's almost my height. Okay, we're gonna wrap it up. It's very simple to attach this one. So I only have to tie this up here. Tie it up. Just want to lock it up here like this. And then just a lock. And okay, I'm gonna put it back on here. So we're done. So it's quite long tripod. So next is we're going to set this aside. I have this Alberto. So all of this one is not a sponsored video. I call it shoes. I don't know. I'm confused. Shoes, sandals, high heels. In general, I use the word shoes. Well, I just want you to enjoy watching my videos, what I'm going to show you today. And for now, since I'm wearing my house shoes, so I'm gonna wear this one while I'm talking to you guys. So I have this one and another one. So I have the same color as my other shoes. So I'm gonna wear it. Okay, tumulong ka. Yes, ito ko yung study na. So, again, I'm back. So we're done with the tripod, and then now is we're going to unbox this clothing from SHEIN. So now we're done with the shoes, and now we're going to unbox the clothing from SHEIN. I just want you to enjoy watching me, guys, and just wanna a quick view of the SHEIN. So I have this one, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, this outfit. Just be right back. Hi everybody, that would be all for now and see you next vlog. Bye, love you all.